Look at this beautiful wood floors in the family room. Awesome looking. And the crew is here just going over repairing floors and stone floors. They did take out the area here. They were working on that this morning and now back in the afternoon because this job is on our way home, so it's easy for us to stop in and take a look at what they're doing. But take a look at this. So they're matching the wood floor from this side over to that side. Now that's what you call an art right there.